Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the footage and immediate tracking environment. First, load the clip at its native resolution and frame rate so measurements stay accurate. This matters for velocity and distance outputs. Then perform quick camera calibration, enter focal length and sensor size, and correct distortion, because tracking drifts if the lens model is wrong. Once done, define a region of interest and place high-contrast markers or keyframes on persistent features. This gives the tracker reliable anchors to begin automatic analysis. Now you run the tracking pass and refine results step by step. Begin with the simplest tracker, single point, then move to multi-point or optical flow when objects rotate or deform. Subpixel refinement improves precision. While it runs, monitor search window size and failure thresholds and make real-time adjustments so the tracker doesn't jump. If drift appears, stop and add manual corrections and keyframes, then re-optimize the camera solve. This preserves scale and orientation for accurate future measurements. Finish by extracting meaningful data and exporting results. You should apply a scale reference to convert pixels to real-world units, then compute trajectories, velocities, and angles so outputs are directly usable. Once satisfied, export CSV or annotated video and select the correct coordinate system and units. If numbers look wrong, troubleshoot by verifying calibration, checking for occlusion or lighting shifts, improving marker visibility, or rerunning tracking with tighter constraints. Fixing those usually resolves persistent errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.